Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Cool Adventures. Today I wanted to show you that I've made some Rubik's Cube videos in the past about myself solving it, or just doing cool things to show off that I've solved the Rubik's Cube many times. I've made a couple videos on that, but I wanted to tell you because all of that was actually fake. So what I've been doing is I've been taking the Rubik's Cube and I just turned it a few times and made it look like it was unsolved, and then I just undid it. That was one of the things I did. Another thing I did is I took a video of myself just mixing it up, but then I put it in reverse and I made it look like I was solving it. So all this time I never actually solved the Rubik's Cube, so I felt a little guilty about that. So I decided to actually learn how to solve the Rubik's Cube. So I watched a video on solving it. It was about 10 minutes long. The video link is in the description. I watched it like 30 times on trying to solve the Rubik's Cube, and I finally figured it out yesterday. I thought it would take much longer than it actually did. So I'm gonna give you actual proof that I can solve the Rubik's Cube. So I'm gonna right now. You could tell this is in reverse because I'm talking, and there's no way I've learned how to talk in reverse or something. So I'm gonna mix this up. I'm even gonna have my eyes closed. I'm gonna mix it up and then I'm gonna solve it. I have this little paper of algorithms and stuff that I've learned, but I've memorized most of it. So I'm gonna give you proof that I can really solve the Rubik's Cube. So here we go. Alright, that should be good enough. I turned it many times, and there's no way I can memorize what I changed in this Rubik's Cube. It's completely mixed up. So, the only way I could do this is rather taking the Rubik's Cube apart, peeling off the stickers, or actually solving it. So I'm going to really solve it this time. And I'm going to try to keep this on screen, so I won't go off screen as I'm solving it. And even if it does end up going off screen, there is no hidden Rubik's Cubes under here that I would switch out. So I hate this thing. I'm holding the camera on this little drone I got for Christmas. Spoiler, I might use it in my next movie. Alright, I guess I'll just do this. Okay, so here we go. I've finally learned how to solve the Rubik's Cube, and I'm gonna do it right here, right in front of the camera. Here we go. Why is it not showing it? Am I dumb or something? Oh. Die. Brain. Okay. So now I do this. This is when I have to use this thing on paper. Almost there. So close. There we go. Completely solved. And you can tell I didn't just do like 4 moves. I did a lot of moves, okay? No reverse, no nothing. It's impossible for me to edit this video. I would have to have like really good editing if this were to be fake. So completely solved. I'm promising to you guys right now, this is not fake. I watched a YouTube video. The link is in the description. That I learned how to solve this Rubik's Cube. So there you go. That's full proof I can solve the Rubik's Cube. It's actually not that hard. It only takes like 30 minutes. You can learn it from the video in the description. Please watch it. Alright, well, thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, share the video so that people can see it. Hit the notification bell. Look, I showed you guys that I can solve the Rubik's Cube for real. I'm gonna try not to lie about things anymore. So I really don't like that. So I'm gonna stop doing that. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.